Hey everybody, this is going to be part two of how to upload your images to the PhotoContestPro.com's website for the North Haven Camera Club. The first part is going to be all about the competitions. We're going to explain the competition box completely so you understand how that works and what you're going to be entering. And then part two is going to be the actual upload of the images. You'll find that the process really doesn't take much longer than 6 or 7 minutes. It's pretty quick if you're prepared. Okay, now we're finally going to log in to enter some photographs for our monthly competitions. Now I happen to have a hot bookmark, hot button right here, and I just clicked on it. It took me right to the home page, and immediately it sent me to the Submit Pictures button right here. So it came over here, click Submit Pictures, and here's how we're going to log in. I'm going to proceed with the first method. However, before I begin there, I want you folks to take a few minutes out and read this paragraph right here. If you remember earlier, in the earlier video, I mentioned something about using compatible web browsers. That's where this comes into play. If you used a compatible web browser, you can use method 1 without any hassles, as it is the preferred method. You'll have the best experience, and it's the most robust. If you insist upon using a non-compatible web browser, you may have to use method 2 to upload directly, and it hasn't quite got all the features that method 1 has. So we're going to proceed with method 1. Click on it. Screen's going to change, and this is where we log in now. We're going to log in here. Just make sure that your cursor's in there. And you're going to type in your password, your username, or your email address actually. Your password. And then, like before, you want to pick the right camera club. And we are the North Haven Camera Club. And then we're going to click Login. Okay. Once you've logged in, you're going to come to this screen right here. And let me take a few minutes to explain what you're seeing here. If you logged in properly, you should see your name right here. You should see the North Haven Camera Club right there. Let me get rid of this thing. It bugs me. Okay. And then you're going to see a list of the competitions that are available to enter in. And every month we will put a new list in after the old month has gone by. We're going to put a new list in, and you can scroll down through it. The gentleman who wrote the program calls them contests. We call them competitions. So these will be the competitions. You're going to see, we're going to ask you this time, very first time, we're going to ask you, if you're going to enter into the prints, we're also going to ask you to send us your digital image of the print that you're sending in. That way there we can score with it. We can do a proper alignment. This is going to be the future for us. I realize it's maybe a slightly extra hassle for you, but it really shouldn't be. Just if you're going to enter a print, just send us your digital image, and so we can have a copy of it for scoring purposes. You'll notice some numbers here: 1, 2, 3, and if I go down to where the assigned subject is, you'll see number 4. Just disregard those numbers. Those numbers are really for us to use as we, as this whole list is in alphabetical order here, and this is the way we normally present the contest or the competitions. So it keeps them aligned for us. What you are concerned with along this bold printed line here is, you notice as I move my cursor in here, each little box kind of highlights itself a little bit. So that's the competition that we're happen to be talking about. You'll see the month first, followed by the category that you're going to be entering in, and then we have, this is new, A level. And if you happen to be a B level member, you'll see B level here. Let me take a few minutes to explain what we're doing here. The A level is going to be for our advanced members. We're going to have our advanced members compete against each other as opposed to competing against the whole club. We do have a number of members that have some advanced photography and Photoshop skills, and they're going to compete against each other. And then we're going to have B level, and that's going to be everybody else that's not in the advanced member category here. And you'll have an opportunity to declare which level you want to be in when you sign up for the club. However, we do reserve the right to override some of that. If we know that you're a known advanced member, we're going to ask you to join the advanced level here. And inside our competition handbook, there will be some more information about how we come about coming out with an A level member and a B level member. One footnote here is if you are an A level member, and I happen to be an A level member here, considered to be an advanced photographer, you'll only see the A level categories that you can enter in. Only the altered reality is where the A levels and the B levels will be able to come together. We're not going to restrict that to one or the other on the altered reality. We are going to restrict it on the open categories, the assigned subjects, and the print categories. So if you're an A-level member, you're only going to see A's. If you're a B-level member, you're going to see B's. There's no way for an A-level member to enter into the B group, and there's no way for a B group to enter into the A group unless we go in and pre-assign you separately, and even then you're going to see what level that you're entering in, so you're only going to be able to do that. Okay, having said all that, I want you to take a look at this bold date right here. This bold date right here is going to be the actual date of the competition. This is critically important. This is going to be the date that we're going to have this competition on. This date right here, following next, it's not in bold print, that is the final date for you to enter your images in. So you have between now and this date right here to enter your images. If you try to enter an image after this date goes by and before that date, you won't be able to do it. The only way to enter images is by uploading them through this software here. We will not be able to accept images any longer the way we used to through the digital competition or through the print side of it. Everything is all going to be done here. Another little footnote right here. It's kind of a funny statistics, but if you're into this type of stuff, it's telling you how much time you got left before the competition. You got 33 days, 9 hours, and 18 minutes from the time that I logged on today to do this movie to this date right here. And then finally it says the North Haven Camera Club. So that's an explanation of what these categories are. As you can see, we have the print category. As I come down here, we're going to have the assigned subject category. Move down here, we're going to have the open category, and you're going to have an open category 1, and then there's going to be an open category 2, and then finally there's an altered reality. So there's been no changes here. There's 5 possible competitions that you can enter in each and every month. They're all here. And you'll find out once I show you, once I get by this explanation here, how simple and how easy it is to upload your images. Okay, in a few moments we'll take you over to that page on how to upload your images.